In this video, I will show you how to reactivate your Google AdSense account. To get started, go ahead and head over into Google AdSense, and in here, you'll be able to find this on your account. Now in here, what you'll need to do is to click on that reactivate account button. As you can see, my Google AdSense account was deactivated because it was inactive. And to be able to reactivate it, I'll need to verify my phone number and submit my existing website. So in here, I just need to set up my website into Google AdSense. Click on that Let's Go button. In this section, you'll need to paste the link to your website. So make sure that this website link is on top domain level, which means that you need to remove the subdomain under your link and click on that Save button. Now in this section, you'll need to go ahead and set up the connection of your Google AdSense with your website. So you can go ahead and copy this AdSense code snippet that you can actually include into your code, or add text snippet, or add a meta tag into your website code. And once you have done that, just simply click on this I've placed the code. So check on that checkbox and click on that verify button to proceed with the next steps. So once you have actually placed your code and have verified it, you can go ahead and request for a review for your website. And once this is done, you can go ahead and monetize the website that you've linked with your Google AdSense account. And that is how you can simply reactivate your Google AdSense account. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.